Hello. Today I will show how through cmd you can see the list of files in the directory and the total file sizes in the directory. Open cmd and specify the directory for which you want to see the file list and directory information. Then execute the command dir. You will get information about the file list and the directory and subfolder information. You can see the date the directory was created. You can see the date the files was created. You can see the total number of files in the directory. You can see the total file size in the directory. You can also see the free disk space in bytes. You can also see what file types are in the directory. Thanks for watching the video.